Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we install our latest 12.3-inch Android screen in a 2017 Porsche Macan. We go through the unit shortly, and the car comes with factory backup camera. Also, you can add aftermarket backup camera. And as I said, this Porsche Macan is with factory backup camera. So this is our latest 12.3-inch Android screen. It comes with three pieces: this small piece here, screen, plus this piece. And you can see it retains the factory trim, which is silver color, and it comes in glossy black trim. So technically the PCM 4.0, it comes out, and this screen goes instead of that PCM 4.0. It's fully touch. It's Android screen, so it doesn't matter. The operating system of the unit is Android. You can use iPhone or Android phone. Nothing to do with the OS of the unit. You can have iPhone, no problem. Dashboard, it shows the RPM and the speed. You can change it to basically miles per hour too, but in Canada we have kilometers per hour. Apps are here. You can use the apps directly from the screen, like YouTube or any other apps that you like. And basically it does Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That's the most important thing. And right now I'm doing wireless Apple CarPlay. So technically this is the Apple CarPlay full screen. I can't play any songs because of copyrights, but yeah, you can play Spotify, you can play Amazon Music, you can run Google Maps or Waze on the screen without any issues. And also, if you have backup camera, it retains your factory backup camera, and it shows the sensors too. And again, the factory camera was dynamic guideline, so it follows the factory camera. If you had satellite radio on your unit, on your PCM 4.0, the only way that, because the whole system is out, the only way that you get satellite radio, you can download the app. That's what I did for my car too. So by going to satellite radio app, you can basically play the satellite radio through the application. And also the unit itself come with the radio too. And the other thing is it retains the volume up and down on the steering wheel. And if I go to pick up the phone, you can pick up the phone too. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.